2004 Accord. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a automatic transmission. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, 4-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, speed control, outside temperature gauge, 4-wheel disc brakes, anti-roll bars, power moonroof, body color bumpers, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find steering wheel audio controls, security system, heated front seats, power windows, power steering, driver vanity mirror, dual front airbags, dual zone AC, telescopic steering wheel, leather shift knob. Ingeniously simple, yet overflowing with luxury and technological creativity. All that and more in the Accord. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.